Just gonna do a quick video, sorry. Yeah, you're good. You ain't gotta go nowhere. Getting it all cleaned up. Lights in. Just gotta get the 2 pendant lights waiting on Amazon. Hot fillers in. All clean. Lights and everything are in. Paint's been touched up. Main bath. Finally got the window in. Just gotta finish it off. Put our mirrors up. For the custom closets, we built this. It was just a big opening. Big laundry space. We bought this little retractable countertop thing. It's pretty cool. And then we got the inside master, if you will. Sorry if I'm going too fast. Walk-in closet, so just gotta put some shelves in there. I just went and put the mirror up. Still need to grout that and finish it, but pretty close. Then walking over here, we got the outdoor bath. Just need to put the floor in and we can put our stuff in, but it's tiled all the way up. Now when you enter the other master, if you will, grandma's suite, got the full built-in walk-in closet on the left. Our service panel that we replaced, the water heater used to be there, now it's gonna be outside. Sliders in, and floors are in. This will be vanity 1, vanity 2, our pipes and everything are just on the other side of the wall. This will be a drop ceiling up here. I'll bring that down, actually put an exhaust fan in, and then that's a big ass window.